The unique Large Water Flow Lab at FCRI is one of the largest flow measurement facilities in the world. It was set up in 2012 for meeting the demand of manufacturers and end users for testing large-size flow meters and control valves with high accuracy. The facility, with a flow range of up to 15,000 cubic meter per hour, with uncertainty better than 0.5% in flow rate, can accommodate pipe sizes up to 2,700 mm diameter. Besides calibration of large diameter flow meters, the facility also tests valves and pumps.